Alright, my walk home is about a whole mile down that way, heading that way. Number 3, light, working, frozen tree wires. Oh no, I'm looking at my fucking phone and almost run face into this. Oh wait, snow everywhere. Make sure nothing is going to kill me on the ground. Oh, look at this fun thing. Wire, face level wire, tied to garbage can. Hold on, it gets cooler. Oh no. Police line, do not cross. This police line will fucking kill you. Tree falling down. Oh wait, what is this? The most badass snow fort I've ever fucking seen. Right next to a live wire hanging off the ground tied to a garbage can, tied to that tree in the snow at 5 o'clock in the morning. Number 3, maybe we'll find a 4th.